Hello friends, welcome to another stream of making a game this time. Well, I know, yesterday we played games, a lot of League of Legends. But today, we're gonna make a game. Alright, what's the plan today? Today, we are going to develop a plugin for Unreal Engine, okay? So our last plugin was pretty good, it went well. Now this is gonna be our second plugin. Well, I will go through the idea and how it's gonna be. I am also going to say that all the code is almost ready and I just need to bring it from the project that I wrote it into a new project. Also, it needs a little bit of work, so let's go ahead and do it. Alright, without further ado, let's begin. I'm gonna share with you my screen here, and as always, before that, let me see if you can actually hear me. I'm gonna share with you my screen here, and as always, before that, let me see if you can actually hear me. I'm gonna share with you my screen. I think you do, but it should be louder. Hold on. Alright, where was I? Yeah, I think I'm increasing the volume so you guys can hear me better. Maybe this is good. Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, I think I'm increasing the volume so you guys can hear me better. Maybe this is good. Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, I think I'm increasing the volume so you guys can hear me better. Okay, I think we're good now. We're on I would say 75%. That would be that's okay to me at least. Alright, please keep frame frequency of 4 seconds or less. It's fine. Okay, what I'm gonna do here is to begin. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste more time over here. Also, I have a better scene for... Wait, what? They look the same? One of them is for Unreal Engine. I'm gonna move it all the way to the left. Maybe? Yeah? Is it good? You can see it? Yeah. Seems like it. Alright. What we're gonna do here is to open the project I was talking about. Okay. And I'm gonna open it on my second screen and bring the code into a new project that I will create just now. Okay. Yep. While that guy is opening, I'm gonna open another Unreal Engine example. Yeah. This goes on my second screen. Now yeah, let's make a blank project and I'm gonna call it Advanced. Advanced configurator movement, maybe? Oh no. Like, we're gonna come up with a good name. I'll show you what the project is in a sec before I actually do that, but I'm gonna name it Advanced. I really want to keep the name Advanced here, so I'm gonna say yeah, let's look at some other examples on Unreal Engine website. So maybe we come up with an idea of a name. Wait, what? Player controls. I want to see if that's a thing. What? Player controls. Nah. Character customization. Nah. Movement, maybe? Modular movement, general movement components, fast movement, parkour. So this character, I'm gonna see what it's about. Wait, what? I'm searching generally for anything related. Okay. What we got here? Roll and dodge. Maybe. So, configurator. Okay. This one, this is car configurator, Archviz configurator, Japanese Tokyo configurator. What is this one? It's nothing. This one we already have it. Joystick combo configurator. How about this one? Okay, actually, you know what? Like, I think what I have is mostly Sims like thing. Maybe I search for that. What does Sims means, anyways? We gotta search it, right? Sims. It doesn't mean anything. What Sims stands for? What does Sims stands for? Student versus Sims name. I would like to know. Simnation. Okay. Sims is like simulators or simulations or something like that. We don't know, so I'm gonna say like. So this category, probably this category has been searched a lot. Maybe I have no clue. Oh, maybe movement or strategic. Yeah, this is weird. This is weird. Character movement. Alright, I'm gonna see if there's anything like what I have. Simple procedural walk. This looks cool. I mean, yeah. Look how many we have. Hold on a sec, guys. Alright. So, yeah. Okay, I'm probably going to put it in the character movement, so I'm gonna name it character movement, something like that. It's not a movement, right? It's it's more like a, it's more like, how about character controls? Character controls, movements. What is this? Modular movement. How about this one? This is for cars. This is so hard to name. Okay, you know what? We're gonna ask Bart. We're gonna ask Google to see if it can come up with some suggestions. So I'm gonna search for that is about very smooth camera movement. Okay, let's get some help from Google Bart, shall we? Advanced camera. This is good. Advanced look and peek. Advanced camera movement and objects. These are long names. I don't want long names. Advanced camera going. Okay. So it's gonna be advanced camera control, maybe. Camera to advanced look and peek. Maybe this one. Advanced look and select. Yeah, let's name it that way. Advanced camera. Advanced camera. Oh no. This is bad. Advanced. No. Configurator. just name it configurator. How about that? So we go crazier with it, you know, advanced configurator. But no, I want it to be. I want people to be able to use my thing in, you know, in any project that they have. Yeah. Let me show you what I've got, anyways. So this is what we have. So I have a little dot in the middle of the screen where I can like move around. Okay, and then I have these objects I can select, and then I can change their materials. See? So the main thing is to have only the movement. You know? So I think that's what I want. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what like only the movement. Like, of course, I have a collision enabled on this car, so I have this this dot that moves around, and then you can select the objects. So what do I do with this? I have to name it, and then we're gonna turn it into a plugin. This is gonna be like, yeah, just like our last plugin. We're gonna name it starting with advanced. So I don't know what to do with this one. Maybe I should just say advanced configurator, and I like turn the whole project into a plugin, like anything, even this like object selection and stuff like that. Or we just go for the dot in the middle separately. We separate it, other than like so the camera movement, this player thing, and the dot in the middle. This is gonna be one plugin, and no, I don't want to charge people like twice for such. Maybe so I'm gonna package both of them in one plugin, but I'm gonna name it something that is applicable for even games, not just configurators. So it's gonna be like advanced movement, advanced dot movement. Let's see if we can use that name. Advanced dot movement. No. Advanced dot movement. We're gonna name it like that, and it's gonna be a C++ empty project. Yes, this is in a good spot. Let's create it. Okay, so we have the project open here, and I'm only going to bring the important parts. Okay, so what I just made here, it's not that complicated. It's only one select component, you know, and the other one is the player. This player is responsible for all the movement, like with your mouse. So this dot in the middle that goes right, left, up, down, or WASD, which does this. Actually, I would like to add ENQ, so you go up and down with ENQ as well. And then these, if you click on an object, that's the second component working in. So these are C++ classes, which I will show you in a sec. All right, we'll get to that in a moment. I just want to open the project in Visual Studio. And let's tweak it a little bit before we bring it into our new project, which is being created. It's not yet created. So I want to get rid of this one. Yeah, the things that should be done is, I just noticed whenever I select something, if I hold WASD, the whole dot moves. But if I hold middle click and just pan around, move my mouse, only the camera moves. So I'm gonna see if I can fix that. So I'm gonna keep the dot. Yeah, maybe, or you know what? It's actually okay. We can also keep that. So yeah, but we're not going to have it as a configurator. So the players do not need to be able to change the colors. Well, let's do that. So, and we're going to add ENQ. Oh, Jesus Christ! I have to write them down, huh? EQ going up and down. This is our to-do list right now. And then you have, let's do it one by one. I just forgot the other one. The other one was like, yeah, think about if I'm gonna bring in the material selection and stuff, so I have to bring in user interface as well as the plugin. That means we're not gonna bring it in, so it goes away. Only this one for now. All right, let's just do it. Oh, one more thing. Remove material manipulation from select component. Easy as that. This shouldn't be hard. Okay, I'm gonna keep it down there. Let's go. We're gonna tweak it a little bit and we're gonna make it a plugin. It should be straightforward if we don't face any problem. Where was I? Oh, this is the dot. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this down there. And I have another one here. Yeah, config player. Also, we're gonna get rid of every comment we have that is unnecessary. Oh, I forgot something. Should be frame rate independent. So we're gonna do that as well. I have a technique for that, which I hope will work. Just give me a sec. I'm checking the stream to see if you can actually see. Oh, you can. All right. Yeah, I am also going to announce it in Game Dev Underground Discord channel that I'm streaming. So how could I do that? It was in gaming self-improvement. So yeah. My cat just jumped on something and dropped the whole thing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put the Discord on my second screen. You don't need to worry about that. So where should I announce it? I don't know. I remember I could. Event and links. Shit, there was a place where I could actually do it, but it's not there anymore. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, fuck it. We're not gonna do that. So let's get rid of the things we don't need. We don't need. In order to do this, I have to. So yeah, I just want to make sure something is okay. Let's make a copy of our project before we do anything on it. This is the configurator. I'm gonna copy it. Başmış. Oh, gee, it's taking some time to paste it. It's okay. That's just how it is. It's game dev. And the name is... It's okay, you don't need to copy those. But I'm gonna name it before manip. It's just how it is, guys. Now let's just work on it. So on select component, nothing is gonna happen except. So we don't have gizmo. I'm not gonna have the arrows. Yeah, that's for the arrows. We don't need it. Materials and options. I don't need it. I don't need this one as well. I don't need this one too. Actually, I don't need any of these. So we have action, just select. Auto set materials and options. We don't need this one too. Oh, you know what? There is one thing that I missed. And that is any boolean in the system. Okay. Good. So B should select, auto set materials and options, just select an action. This is the only thing we need. We don't need mesh ref. Or do we? Or do we? Actually, you know what? I think we do. So I'm gonna bring it up here. Okay, use static mesh components. And I just want to get rid of the private section of it. Let's go here now. We don't need the gizmo. We don't need these. Definitely we don't need these guys. Yeah, of course we are not drawing an arrow anymore. It's completely gone. I'm gonna keep the if mesh. No, actually no. You don't even care. Auto select material and options. Goodbye. It was a good idea, you know, to keep it. We could actually keep that. And if we keep it, when you select something, you just select it, and then I'm gonna show something on the screen, like a user interface or something, where people can change materials. But if I do that, not everybody can use this in their project, so that's why I'm ditching it. Probably it's a good idea to keep it off. If people request it, I'll put it in. So action, we need action. Just select. Of course, we need just select as well. Okay. So yeah, very simple select component. Even though I'm gonna do, okay, so I'm gonna add this to the to-do list as well. Object ref and player ref check in on selection. Okay, this could be a good idea. Now let's go ahead to the config player. We need all those. What we don't need is a HUD class. Yeah. Let's see if let's see what is the HUD class currently in our project. This is the HUD class. Config. No, I'm dumb. This is not the config class, but yeah, should be config HUD. I'm gonna go to config player, find the. Actually, I was in the right spot. There's another one, HUD class. Oh, we're gonna get rid of this, right? We no longer need that one. And then what does the widget class config HUD do? What does it do? I don't quite get it. Is it the dot thingy? What if I don't set it? What would happen? The dot is still there. Is the dot... Did I just add it here? I should have a widget over here, origin widget. Oh yeah. This is the origin widget we have so far, and it's working. So we no longer need to ditch that. Let's ditch the other parts. But if it was a configurator, you can select the stuff and do different things. Yeah, still you can do them. HUD class, we don't need it. Origin widget, let it be there. Mouse hover widget, origin widget, camera boom. This HUD, we don't need it anymore. Left click down, left click, right click down, left click down. Definitely we need it. Middle click, we need it. We need two more functions for E and Q buttons. We'll add that. Yes, we need escape, resize Z. Player controller ref, yes. Hovered actor. Yeah, what do we do with this hover actor? You know what? We whenever you clicked on something, we jump there, right? That's for that. I'm gonna get rid of any HUD class thingy I have that I don't use. Yeah, hover actor, like we definitely use that. I don't need the HUD ref. And then I don't need this part. If HUD, alright. And then we will add a UE log for every action. We have to add that as well. Otherwise, people who buy this plugin will not know what to do, right? UE log, every action. Yeah, we're currently on this one, but let's first first let's make sure it works if we compile it. So we ditched many things. Alright, alright, alright. This should work. You know what? It's not telling me exactly where the problem is, so I have to compile it from the project here. I'm gonna get rid of config player and select scene component, these two, and we're gonna build it here. This way it will show us the errors. I'm 100% sure. Let's see. Well, it is not. Okay. Okay. CV object symbol public use selecting component. Okay, the error is there. Auto set materials referenced in function. All right, let's do that. So this select scene component, I'm gonna find the reference in my configurator, and then there is a place where we call a function. We shouldn't call that function, so it's gonna be this part, found components, and then okay, just select an action. Then what's the problem? So we have it just select an action, but we don't have anything else done here. Maybe it's calling inside itself. Doesn't seem like it. I'm not calling any. Oh yeah, I am in begin play. It's no longer there. Shit. Again, this should be easy. Use select components, auto set material and options void. It should be here, I'm sure. Yeah, I knew that. I forgot to remove the where I defined the function. Okay, it worked. Let's see if it works if I turn it into. It's not working. What the fuck? Oh yeah, compiled it twice. I compiled it twice in a row, so it just got weird stuff. Okay. So I was trying to compile from Visual Studio and Unreal Engine at the same time, so it gave me an error. It's okay, it's gone now. Now I'm gonna create a blueprint out of the both of the things that I have here. The config player and select scene. Probably here. BP underline config. That's one. And then the other one is select scene component. I'm gonna call it BP underline select scene component in BP. Again. Okay. Save. Save. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens. My cat is just looking at me. Hey, Josh. Alrighty. So yeah, I'm gonna go to world settings. I don't need this part. And then here I'm gonna change the player to BP config player. Let's see if it works. Playing in editor. There is error for UMG HUD. Why do I have an UMG HUD error here? Yeah, why? Where did I use this UMG HUD? Oh yeah. Actually, you know what? I don't want any of these because I'm no longer using them. Even this part. Yeah, we don't care. Just play. Okay, it's working. It's pretty much working. This is good. This is good. I'm happy. Can I select the stuff? Let's add select component to this guy as well. To this guy, just this way. This guy, BP underline selecting component, and it should select, yeah. Let's just click on it. Absolutely working. But we have collision on, right? We gotta get rid of that collision thingy soon. Yeah, and I assume I had the code, you know? So if I go here and I just bring everything back, where was the part that I got rid of collision? So any parts that I have material, I no longer need them. Mesh ref. You know what we should do? Yeah, I have to keep mesh ref, which I have it here, and then I have to bring in the part where I set the collision of that mesh ref to basically no collision. That's it. That's what I'm gonna do. Where did I do that? Set collision response to channel. See, this is the part, and it's gonna be like if mesh ref. Why is it not there? So I'm saying if mesh ref exists. Okay. Alright, but here's the thing. Maybe we select something that is not, you know, it's weird. No, it's not weird. I know. We no longer need this part. We don't need this part. We don't need these. In the begin play, we're gonna say if mesh ref. We set the collision of that mesh, static mesh, to so ignore the camera. We basically don't want it to collide with the camera. We're gonna eventually do the same thing for walls if it exists. So I'm gonna keep that. The other one was ENQ, so I'm gonna go to my input section here. Yeah, we have a bunch of things we're using, you know, except this jump one. I don't use the jump one. So it's a good idea to have a space. No, space doesn't do anything in my project, so forget it. We have WASD, which I will show you in a moment. Look up and down is working. This is working. I just want to add move up and down, just like this one, you know. move up. That's it. And then this look up, and then this one should be look down. And I don't want the joystick to be a part of it. Yeah. And now we just need move right and just move forward. These two, we don't need them. Oh yeah. Move forward is W, move forward is W. So basically this move forward is not what I'm after. This move right is not what I'm after. And then we have this look up. Okay. It was a mess here. Holy shit. So move forward, move. It's gonna be E. I just want to click here. This one is gonna be E. Another one Q. And then just like move forward, 1 minus 1. This should be like 1 and 1 is 1 as well. Yeah. Let's go back to the configurator. We'll eventually change the name of this class as well. Now what I'm gonna add is, this should be easy, in input section. Where are my inputs? Here. I'm gonna add move up and down. Move up, move down. Okay. This is gonna be move up. And then same thing, move down. And then let's create their functions as well. Right underneath move forward here. And move right. Void move up. Float value. Should be easy, right? Move. I think the hard part is when I'm going to turn it into a plugin. Move right. I'm sorry, move down. Oh, we don't need a move down, right? I was doing a mistake, so we don't have a move down. We only have move up. And then here we have the same thing. Move up, yep. With E and Q and a value. Yeah. And then you just right click on it, quick action, generate, create definition. This is it. Should be straightforward again. I just want to copy and paste the move right thingy to my, I'm sorry, like doesn't matter. Move right here. I'm gonna say CFX camera move. Get right vector, I'm gonna say get up vector. Yeah. And then multiply by keyboard movement speed, multiply by value. This time I'm not gonna set the Z to 0. I am actually set. Yeah, I'm gonna say this was a stupid move anyways, to set the Z1 to 0. I am not going to do that. I'm not going to do that here as well. And I just want to say, okay, it's going to be Z. Hold on a sec. Okay, sorry guys. I only want to change the Z. I only want to move the player in the Z-axis whenever E and Q button is pressed. So this one is gonna be 0.F. Why my point is not working? 0.F. All right. Let's hope it works. Restrain Z. Basically, I have something that player cannot go above a certain height or below a certain height as well. So those are adjustable. It can be set to infinite as well. But anyways, it is what it is. Okay. Going back to the proj. E and Q is working. Great. This is exactly what I wanted. Now we click on this guy. The problem is still it still has collision, you know? I don't know why. So I'm gonna go to select component, mesh ref. Yeah, we removed something that we shouldn't have here, over here. So I'm gonna bring back everything that I had. I just want to get rid of this part. I'm gonna keep a few functions, okay? I'll tell you which ones. We don't need this one, we don't need... Actually, I'm gonna keep this part. And I'm gonna say... set collision. In begin play. We don't need these as well. So we have auto select material, nobody cares. Get components, found components. What is this found components? That's important. Use static mesh component of T-array. Do we actually set the select component? Like, this is hard to think about. So what? I am no longer changing the materials. We already set the collision system. It's done now. Yeah, this part I don't need it. Actually, this whole component I don't think I need it anymore. But this is very important as well. I believe this is done here in config player. So whenever you click, we get a reference of what's clicked on. And that's in player component. I'm gonna found it. Click. Alright, so yeah, I think I have a function for it. And that is left click down. Let's go ahead and see what we have done here. Okay. So we have hovered actor and hovered component. If they're not null, should select. We just selected, right? Now I'm gonna set the mesh component here as well, and then the mesh reference here as well, if I can do that. Let's try. Yes, hover actor. Maybe I have a hover actor as well. What is this? Where do I set that? Totally forgot what I did that time. So it's here. Oh, we have it on tick. Okay, like we're gonna optimize it in a sec. We're gonna set it to frame rate independent soon. But this is what I'm doing here. Hover actor. Okay, if found component, use selecting component, found component. Okay. If hover actor hits get actor. It's true to a certain level, but I want to get the static mesh and set it as a reference. Here is what I have to do. No. Okay. Yeah, we get the hit result in player controller where the mouse is actually. And then we create two empty variables here. We get the blocking hit. And then of that, if it has a blocking hit, then we create a found component and we get the actor of that found components, which was set, I believe. Oh, it's like I totally forgot this shit. So yeah, we get components and we put it into this found components. And if there are actually components found here. Alright, so instead of get components, I also want to do we're gonna search it on Google here. Fuck! I'm gonna search it here. No, wait. Before I do that, this is a hit result, right? I'm going to search for hit result in Unreal Engine docs. So we're gonna see what the results are, because I forgot, and we're gonna cast it into static mesh first. So actor hit, blocking hit, spawn name, component, which we already got it. Okay, I think this is what I want. Actor hit. These are the constructors and functions. Okay. We have a get actor function. I think that's exactly what I need. So yeah, if all these happened. Thank you, Mom. Okay, if all these happened, if it had a blocking hit and we had like hover actor component set it in game, okay. Then we are doing something in the click down, and I'm gonna actually put it here. Here, it should be here. If hover component should select. Yeah, before I even select it, I'm gonna say hovered actor. Did I actually get it up there? Oh my fucking god. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna say did I cast it already? Mesh ref. Mesh ref. Yes, we did cast it. Is equal to fucking hovered actor. I want to say it like this. Cast. Cast 2. Fucking, I'm a fucking idiot. I forgot everything. How to cast to static mesh Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine C++. It's like my mind, like No, this is should be cast to, right? اینوری باشه بهتر. بیا. Okay, my cat just jumped on an empty PC case that I have down here, and he just fell. Cast use. This is how you do it. Okay. So I was doing it right, and I want the hovered actor to be cast there. And before that, I'm gonna say if yeah, use static mesh use static mesh star temp mesh keeper, just a name, and then I want to cast it here. And then I'm gonna see if it exists. Then I'm gonna bring it up here, and it's not gonna be a component, it's gonna be a use static mesh. Just like that. And then this one is a component. It is, so I'm gonna change. Yeah. Let's go back into Unreal Engine, see if this is actually a static mesh. It's just an static mesh actor. So I am also going to change this guy to a static mesh actor. And then I'm gonna go up here. We have a static mesh Was it in? We have to go to docs again. Hello, Unreal Engine C++. I had you. Unreal Engine C++, use static mesh actor, doc. So why is it taking so long for it? This is what I want. Didn't actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep that as well as this. No, we don't need that. That's overdoing stuff. That's having stuff that we don't need. So yeah, this is an actor now. This is the actor now. I need to bring it here as well. Up there. So we kind of reference it. And then use static mesh actor. It's not use static mesh anymore, it's something else. A static mesh, I assume. Yeah. A static mesh actor. And then it's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like that. Going here. This one's gonna be a static mesh actor. Static mesh, not actor. Yeah. Exact. True. Should be right. Just like that. I know it's weird, but I'm sure it will work. Let's try. And here I'm going to go. Seems like we have a bunch of errors, right? I want to say mesh ref set collision. So we have everything. Response. Okay. Set collision. Response. Oh yeah, you know what? We can no longer do this. Oh my god. Set collision response. This is bad. Get components. Can I say get first component? No. Get components by class. So we need that components, like, oh my god. Remember we had it? I'm gonna go back and bring it on. Static mesh component. Components, static mesh component, now I have it up there. Just like that. And then here, get by class. This is gonna be a T array, but we only want to get the first one. T sub class of use static mesh component I think here I have to add mesh ref. Here I'm gonna add another one called use static mesh component mesh component ref. I know this is weird, but it will work, believe me. Is equal to null ptr. It's just how coding is. It's weird, right? And then we get this. Okay, where was I? My cat is killing me. Okay. This is hard, right? Isn't it? How to set collision response for static mesh actor C++ Unreal. If there is a better way, I want to do that. No, not that one. That's my cat. Oh no, I already know this one. Why is my collision detection? Actually, I know this part. The only way is to do this. So I'm gonna say this is bad, right? This is bad. T array. I'm gonna bring in init tree array. So I'm gonna control Z everything. I'm gonna find my T array here. Where is it? Where is it? It's here. Just want to copy it and I'm gonna go back to what I had. Control Y. Okay. This is gonna be static mesh component. Static mesh components of this mesh. Just like that. I'm gonna name it like that. Or I can just say temp, you know? And then we're gonna fill it up with whatever we find here. Huh. There is a problem. This is bad. This is very bad. Because it was working. Whenever I'm gonna Control Z everything again, I'm gonna search for Meshref and I'm gonna see where do I set it. I'm gonna say this Meshref. I have never set it anywhere. Huh. Weird. Guys, I found the solution. I found the fucking solution. This is the solution. Just like that. And boom. It should work now. The thing is, this is gonna be component. We don't need that. We don't need the actor. Ref. We don't need this one. I am 100% sure that it should work now. So we find components of the owner and we get the first one, and that's our mesh ref. It was working before, but it's not working now? Why? It wasn't working even before. Because I had a بله مامان چشم. I had something. میتونی صداش زیادتر کنی. For some reason it is working here. Everything is working here. But it was not working. Okay. Wait. We just wait for it. We compile it actually. Let's see if it works. Please. Using component. Oh, I should Control Y all these. Or Control Z them. No. I no longer need to cast anything over here. Should work now. I'm sure. Look, watch. See? We're fucked. I'm not gonna open Unreal just yet. So we have the mesh ref now. That's good. That's another thing. Checked. Next is to test it. To test if this collision works. Yeah. Let's open the project again. I'm gonna change the music, guys, to something else. Oh, this is dot. No, I don't want the dot one. I want this configurator thingy. Already. Don't restore anything. Let's see if it works. It works. I'm gonna click on this guy. It's not working because the component is either removed. Yes, it is. I'm gonna. So we had a scene select component here, which is new. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna say it's selectable. Oh, look at these. You know what? We don't need it. I have to create another one. Create blueprint class, in the same spots. Blueprints. Yes, I'm gonna add that one as a component. Click on it. Set should select. But why is it bringing my old code? Isn't that weird? Oh, shit. Dude. So that's the problem? I don't need this. I don't need these guys. I need the static mesh. Oh shit, man. This is bad. I don't need this function. This should work. Yep. Yep, changes applied. Yeah, it seems like it's working. I should remove these two, but not for now, after my test. Let's see if we select it, the collision will work. Absolutely, this is great. Great achievement. Movement works. Now, we've got to figure out two unwanted. One is this one, the other one. These T arrays, we don't need them. Unless maybe we do. Actually, we don't. That's a good thing. I kinda don't want this mesh ref to be in private, so I'm gonna bring it up to in public. Nah, let it be in private. Yeah, we already have public access for that. So, let's see if it works. Now we've got to figure out the dot thingy in the middle. There should be a dot in the middle whenever we're playing a game. The game, you know, that dot. We'll find it. Let's see. I'm gonna open my blueprint class, origin widget, screen. Yeah, this is it. It's actually a good thing, right? I just need to bring in mouse hover UMG to my for my widget class, as my widget class. Oh no, this is the wrong one. Should be material HUD dot. Yep. Oh, yep. Everything seems to be working. Now, object ref and player ref check. We will do that in a sec. Remove material and manipulation from. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna set a star here. Should be frame rate in the, this is also done. ENQ. I'm gonna make it frame rate in the independent right now. Let's go ahead and do that. So the way to do it is actually not that easy. I have the piece of code in somewhere else. So basically we need a tick function that's functioning beside our main. Hold on a sec. Yeah. So I was saying, just give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna drink this coffee and I'm gonna come back in a sec, okay? So BRB. BRB. Hey guys, welcome back. Maybe so. Alright, I hope things are okay. You can see me? Yeah? And what is this weird music? I have to change it. Let's go to... I have a set of music that's good here. I'm looking for that. It's called Fortnite Inspired Music Set. There we go. Back to the development. Already. So yeah, frame rate independent. So I'm gonna just like our other plugin that we made. I'm gonna make this one frame rate independent using a separated timer. That's it. So I'm gonna find my code first. That's the first thing we have to do. Yep, advanced hover vehicle. Creating a timer in C++ is a bit hard. Not a bit, it's too hard. So that's just how I do it. I wrote it once and I use it every time. Use the same code. Why should I do it 100 times? By the way, if you don't know what's this project, I'm gonna show you it real quick. This is available on Epic Games Marketplace right now for Unreal Engine, of course. This is a plugin that you can have, and you can build your game around this. Okay, if you want such a movement, it can also stick to the floor. You know, like an actual hover vehicle. It doesn't fall down. See, it's just like that. It doesn't fly. I mean, like that. You can also jump, or you can like reduce the height if you want on the go. Like that, I can jump around, or I can actually fly just like that. And you know what's the cool part? You can stick to walls. Watch, and you will not fall, just like that. You can stick to walls and stuff like that. Okay, who gives a shit? Right now, we're here for the code that I offered here. Which is, I need this one. Doesn't matter. In both of them, I have the same function. So it's a timer. It's a timer function. A function that's being called maybe 60 times a sec, something like that. Hooray! Nah, I don't want this one. I want to close dot. Okay. Where's the code? It's here. So for the timer, it's this one. Side tick. I'm gonna bring it into our new project. Did I close it? I think I did. I'm gonna copy these. I'm gonna go to my configurator, go here, config player. I have to paste it here. Near, or maybe up here underneath tick function, or above it, maybe above it. Okay, and now I'm gonna go. Wait, I can only have one. It's, oh fuck. Okay, now I realized. Now, where is the function? I have a bunch of includes that I should bring, I guess. Timer manager. That's what I need. That should come. Maybe down here. And then the next thing I want is this side tick function. Yeah, where I have a bunch of things happening. I'll tell you what's going on exactly. Going here, I'm gonna paste it above my tick function. Just like that, and we will change this name with config player. A config player, just like this one. So we don't care about this. We don't care about this. Not this one. This one. None of these are what we care about. None. Literally none. The only thing we want is from the other piece of code up here, this line of code. It's actually in our begin play. So in the begin play, we run the function that I just created. Side tick interval, we just create that as well. Let's go ahead here. I'm gonna bring in this one. Maybe before I create anything else, this is gonna be properties only. Quite happy about that, and I'm gonna set it to 60 frames a sec. This is gonna be the first one. This is equal to, was it a float? Yeah. So I had to say one, yep. Let's search for it here. Yeah, 1 divided by something. So 120 FPS would be great. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Or 1 divided by 60. Yep. Okay, my cat. My cat wants to sit on me. Okay. What did I just do? I added this side tick number, and then this should be a config. Okay. Easy as that. Wasn't that complicated. And then I'm gonna bring anything I had, like I'm gonna copy anything I have from tick function into my side tick function. Okay, and we are doing nothing in the tick, in the tick. So these actually being called 120 times a sec. And that's a lot, right? I can simply reduce it to 60. Maybe 60. I'm gonna set this to 120. What? Control S is not working? Okay. So what's this delta time? We no longer have the delta time. We can have access to this delta time using what I will tell you. Get world. What? Get world. Get delta time. Did I do it right? Get delta seconds. Just like that. Should be here as well. So I'm gonna copy this guy. I'm gonna bring it here. Oh guys, if you see this, my cat, I'm gonna show you my cat, look at him. Yeah. Yeah. Get world, get the delta seconds, because it's an interp. That's good. Nothing in the tick function anymore. Here, and then there are a bunch of other things that we gotta move to tick function. So these look up at rate and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna move this to... I want them to use the new function that we have. Okay, so let me see. I have a look up function here. I'm gonna see what I've done before. I'm gonna do the same thing here. So lookup event, this event is something else. Don't care about that. Oh yeah, for the looks it's okay, but for the movement, it's not. Yeah, gonna fix that. Now, how do we do that? I have a move forward. This is 2 F's. Yeah. Oh, it's just here. Okay. We add force and such. Just because we are using delta seconds, we don't need to bring it into... it's already frame rate independent, right? So probably we should do the same here as well. And if I want my... If you hold middle click and you want to get the same thing, I'm adding controller pitch input using delta seconds. That's a good thing. I'm also using delta seconds here. Okay, that's frame rate independent. As I'm multiplying it by the speed of rotation, that's good. And then here, we're not using the same technique here. That's a prop, right? A value multiplied by camera movement speed. Yeah. So in the look or move up, we gotta figure this one out. Yeah, for the rotation we are frame rate independent, 100%, I'm sure. But for the movement we're not. So what we're doing here, we're adding to the local offset of a value multiplied by I'm gonna see if I multiply it by delta seconds, I'm gonna see what will happen. Well, what will happen? I'm just curious. So you should move with this speed. Maybe I don't have a good understanding of what I'm doing right now, adding a delta seconds here, but we'll see. I'm gonna also do it here. Let's compile. How is this one? Going up and down, it's not working. Why? Something's happening. I'm gonna remove delta seconds. I wanna see what happens then. It's working. Okay, if I do that, then camera movement speed should be much more. It's basically saying how much we should move in that second. Look at my cat. She's a good cat. That's a good cat. let's adjust the camera so you can see me rather than the cat. Okay, so it didn't work the way we intended it to work. What we do here, we get the camera boom, add local offset. If a camera is if an actor is selected, that happens, and then we clamp the movement to the new location. Actually, this is okay. Sorry. How about this one? Get the delta scenes. That looks good. Camera boom. Use. Looks fine. Looks fine to me. Okay. And then for the zoom, it's 100% frame rate independent. Just get the value, multiply it by zoom speed, and plus like camera boom target arm length. It just doesn't need to do anything more or less than that because it's just tick 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 tick. It's not smoothly going, so that's okay. Move forward. Oh yeah, this one needs a little bit. If we say add a actor world offset by this amount, get what we. If we multiply it by I'm gonna see what happens. Okay, and then we have to increase the speed for sure, 100%. I added it here, I added it here, and then on the move up, down, I'm gonna do it there as well. Okay. I'm gonna change the speed. It's here, movement speed. I'm gonna set it to 50 instead of 5. It is moving ever so slightly. And you know why? Because, so I'm gonna say 500. It's still moving so slow. It's because of our delta seconds. Oh hey Boogie, how are you doing, man? Oh yeah, new season. Did you see that? They messed everything up, bro. Like, it's just fucked up. I don't like it. I don't know why. I'm doing great. I'm doing some game dev right now before I jump into League. I think this is not working. I have to set it to like 5,000 maybe. It's faster. Nah. 5 and 5,000 is the same here. I am up, but not now. Probably in an hour. Like, definitely in an hour. It's 9:30 here, so 10:30. 1 hour. Maybe you should play like 1 hour, 1 round, and then I'm in, bro. We should definitely play this new season. We have a lot to experience here. Great, see you in an hour. Like, hit me up if I forgot, okay? So I get off this Unreal Engine. Yeah, this is definitely not what we wanted. So I just need to... He's adding offset. My cat, his name is Stupid. If you want to see it better, let me show you. Look at him. How are you doing? It's this guy. Mr. Stupid, what's up? You want to see how he sits? He sits here. Stupid, what's up? Wish I could go. He's lovely. Yeah, he is. He's this guy is actually stupid. That's why his name is Stupid. So I have a good reason for that. How to add a world local offset with... I have to search something on the internet. Bro, we're doing game dev. How to frame rate dependent. Add local offset C++ Unreal. What's this guy doing? Oh, dude, AdForce is already independent. Yeah. Add actor local offset. I'm going crazy. Oop. Delta location to change location. Yeah, we are developing a piece of game, so like a plugin. I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna explain. So this is the last plugin I created. Okay, it's called Advanced Hover Vehicle System. So it's just a hover vehicle, okay? But I sell the system to other developers. So if you're making a game and you happen to want a hover vehicle in your game that's smoothly working like this, then I got you covered, you know? So this is it. It's just you can move, you can adjust the height like this, you can go down, go up. So you can pass through obstacles just like that. Oh, I just crashed there. Okay. And guess what? You can jump. You know? You can also turn off and on jumping. There is a lot of variables you can change. Or you can actually fly, you know? Just like that. Fly. And there is, you know, guess what? You can stick to surfaces as well, like this. Now I'm stuck to the ceiling. You know? I also have planetary system where you, like, if I hit 6, 5, I had to play like wait. I forgot my own plugin. Anyways, yeah, so people can come buy it and use it in their games as well. It's just like, it's my job, you know, game dev. And then you have all those controls up there. This is it. Yeah. I also have a trailer about it on YouTube. Thanks, man, for your compliment. Well, now you do. It's actually quite fun to play with. You can download a playable demo of this as well. Well, you want the link? I can share you with the link if you want. Just give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'll share you the download link so you can play with it. You can do all sorts of good stuff in here. Where is it? Where is it? I'll bring it up. It's here. Just give me a moment. I'm trying to. Yeah, okay, this is the link. Where, what? I can't? Yeah, I can. Wait. I have to type it in Twitch chat. There you go. So there is a description section. There you can find the link to download the playable demo of what I just created here. There's also another game if you want to play. That's another game I made. There's also play link button there on my YouTube. So sorry, I just don't have the links separated. I just have them on my YouTube channel, so I share with you the YouTube link. You can just click on it on in the description section. Yeah. So now I'm trying to make a new plugin where you have this. If you can, if you can have a better look here. Just watch. So this is the new plugin coming up. I don't want a screenshot. Where you can move this dot around, okay? And you can select objects, and it just smoothly goes to that object, and just like that. But it has a bug right now. I'm trying to fix it. And then after I fix it, this one is also going to be ready to go up for Unreal Engine users. If anyone needs this sort of stuff. Yeah, how to add to location frame rate in deep. Sometimes I forget things and I have to search them up on Google. See what others have to say. I don't have to add force. Not physics. How to add to X value independently. Should I say math? No. Well, for now, I made many games, and I only made one plugin, and that's the one you're seeing. Yeah, I spent plenty times, like, I don't remember. Probably 5-6 months it took me like that to just come up with the results that I'm happy with, and that's it. Not that. This one. I'm just gonna say math. Oh no, not acceleration. How? So the x plus equal to input x speed mod and time delta. To make them frame I think you need to factor the time between the multiply for the actual rate of the speed again. Basically right now I'm trying to make the movement of that little dot I have, I'll show you again, to be frame rate independent. So if you have a slower PC, it should be able to run, it should be able to move as fast as the one that's running in a faster PC. That's it. I'm basically trying to figure that out. You're not, man. Don't worry. Anyone is good at a different thing. Yeah. So I already did that. Keyboard movement speed. I think I have to touch that. This. Here. Probably 1000 units. How much is a 1000 units in Unreal? So 100 is actually 1 meter or 100 meter? 1 meter. Oh. Okay. I'm fucking confused. Yeah, found it. Okay, so 10 units is 1 meter. I have 1000 here. Maybe that's too much. Yeah, that is too much. But it is what it is. It is frame rate independent right now. If I set it to 100, it's gonna be too slow. 1000 was good. Yeah, I will specify it in the documents. So yeah, let me show you what's happening here. So people want to make games, right? I already created another plugin which is Hover Vehicle System. Now I'm creating a new plugin called Advanced Dot Movement. So there is a dot in the middle of the screen, and then you basically move around that dot. Maybe you have a game like Sims, maybe a Sims game, you know, a strategy game or a configurator game where you want to click on, there's a building, for example, you want to click on different stuff and change the colors of them, something like that. So you want the player movement to be something like this. A dot where the camera just rotates around that dot, and you can also click on multiple things on the screen. And the camera just basically locks into that object. That's what I'm creating right now. It's a bit jiggling. It's because of 60 frame rate per second. I'm gonna set that. Side tick should be 120. No, 1 divided by 120. Let's see if this works. Smooth. This is what I want. Yep. ENQ working. Now I cannot change the Z axis for some reason. Oh my god. Let's fix that. Why? So we're getting up vector multiply by keyboard. If I remove this, still I can't. With ENQ I can, but with mouse middle button I can't. That's a big issue. Look up, move up. Mouse middle click held. Okay. C camera max movement distance. All right. This is not going well. Look or move right. I'm looking for middle click up. Yes, maybe this is what I want. No. Look or move right. Nah. This. Middle click held. Interesting. Interesting. This is when the actor is selected, otherwise cut control pitch input. Middle click held, selected actor, otherwise. Oh, restrain Z. Nah. What's going on? Why am I facing this problem? Oh, shit. Ugh. Middle click held. Move right. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm a fucking idiot. Or move up. Right click. We don't care. Middle click held. Yes. Select it. What if I select an object? Yeah, that's a good question. I still can't. Shit. Is it because of? Zoom speed, movement speed. What if I change it to 30? Nah. Oh my god. Oh, shoosh. We got a bunch of props. Keyboard movement speed should be 100. Sorry, 1000. And then this should work now. On the other hand, max camera movement speed, this should be max movement speed, zoom speed. Hmm. How about that? I don't like it. Oh. What if I change it to 1? Ah. This also applies. Okay. So it should be 10. Or 5. Oh my god. Hard to come up with the number for this project. This is not good for customers. Okay. This feels good. Max movement distance 200, movement speed 5, rotation speed is okay. I'm gonna set it to 5000, maybe this works. Oh, that's zoom. 300, I'm gonna set it to 1000, maybe this one helps. Okay, why it's not working for mouse middle click? Isn't that fucking weird? Move or look right. It should be this part. Camera boom. Add local offset. Set relative location. Huh. Hold on a sec. TV noise comes here in the mic. Camera, max movement, distance, these are okay. But somehow it's not working. What if I remove this? I would... Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, I would like to know what happens if I remove it. Yep. It's fucking weird. Yeah. Wait, it didn't work? Maximum distance from ground 5000, keyboard movement 1000, and camera movement 5. I'm gonna set them in C++. Keyboard movement 1000, float. Camera movement speed is 5. Movement speed is 5, and then and this is 1000 distance from ground. It's gonna be 1000. Let's see. Oh shit, Unreal is gonna crash. 100%. No, it didn't. It will. In a second it will. I have to close it. It's bugged. Aye. Where is the proj? It's here. Oh my god, what's happening? Ooh, I'm the dumbest person in existence. I have to open on this. Oh shit. Okay, let's try. It is still not working. E and Q is working. But mouse middle button is not working for going up and down. I'm gonna find my input. Let's go down the rabbit hole. Middle click held. So it is look or move up. Okay. This one. Oh yeah. There's a tiny problem here. First of all, I'm gonna bring the delta seconds back. But secondly, what I need to do is if there is no actor selected, world offset, I am only affecting the Z of it, and then camera movement here, it says camera movement speed multiplied by, yeah, I think this should be changed. Yeah, isn't it? Let's try. It's affecting. It did? Oh, now it's working. How? But how? Here I'm saying multiply by new location. This is working. Jesus, it's not working. Now I know why. This is looking up. If right click held, I'm gonna see what's the problem with right click. That's totally fine. But this one, set relative location. We cannot have delta seconds here. Or if we are going to have delta seconds here, the camera movement speed should be different. So it should be 1000 or something. Camera rotation speed seems okay, though. Let me check. Camera rotation speed. is 50, but if I camera, let's see. Oh, ooh, it's too fast, bro. I wanna do that. I'm gonna go here. Save it. Camera movement speed was actually 5 here, right? Shit. No, here, not yet. Camera max movement speed is 5, even though 5 is too low for that. How about 500? It goes up and down very slowly, but it goes right and left very fast. It's because we are in frame rate independent now. I am so stupid. We were even frame rate independent while moving right as well. But this is different. Camera. This is rotation speed. Rotation speed. If middle click is held. See? Get delta seconds here. Yes. If an actor is selected. If an actor is not selected, movement component is equal to create vector from yaw. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm gonna say this and this. Oh, actually no. I'm gonna say new movement direction dot x plus equal to nah. I'm wrong. It's a new direction. Add actor world offset. Oh my god, this is not going well. Get component rotation. Camera movement speed multiply by... Yes. This is gonna be it. I'm gonna set it to 1000. 1000. Yeah, yes. Yep. Or maybe 5000 is too much, maybe should be 500. We'll see. Totally great. This is absolutely awesome. EQ is working, this is working, this is working. And you know what else I want? I want, I'm gonna write it here. I'm gonna say arrow buttons should rotate the camera. You know why? Because you may have a controller instead of a mouse, or you want to do everything with the keyboard. So I'm gonna give the user that ability as well. That's why this is advanced, right? We're gonna think of everything. Okay. Object ref select. Okay. We'll get to this part. I'm gonna put everything that's done to done section. I'm gonna say done this, and I'm gonna say to do these. This, yep. Should be frame rate independent. Done. I'm gonna make sure if everything else is okay. So we had camera movements. This is a zoom. Zoom doesn't need it for sure, but we can even add it to that. You know. No, we don't need it because we are just setting the target arm length. Just set it every frame, like the moment that the button is clicked, like every scroll will zoom differently. So we'll zoom once, not differently, sorry. Yep. If I add frame rate independent, no matter what kind of mouse you have, it's gonna zoom the same amount. Should we try it? Maybe I can. Multiply by get world, get delta seconds, and we're gonna set it to a big number. I'll show you what. So first, let's check them. There's absolutely no zoom right now. I'm gonna set the number to a big thing. Like instead of 20, I'm gonna set it to 200. So it's like 10 times more. I can zoom a little bit. So this way it is mouse independent as well. Okay, so maybe I set it to 2000. Yeah. So doesn't matter what kind of mouse you have, it always zooms the same. So per scroll tick. You know why I did this? Because sometimes you may have a mouse like these Logitech mouses where you just have like infinite zoom. That's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna keep it this way as well. That's good. What else? Distance from ground is okay. What's this? Min zoom is okay. Camera rotation speed. That's already frame rate independent. I'm sure about that. Actually, I think this is it, guys. I think this is it for today for the plugin. I'm gonna work a little bit more on it off stream probably, and then we're gonna come back to work again tomorrow, right? So it's already like 2.5 hours we're here. I'm gonna jump into a game and play with my friends. So until then, see you again in the peace. I'm gonna come back in like 20 minutes, okay? I'm gonna go eat something, come back. See ya then. Make sure you subscribe and follow if you forgot. See you.